Ladies and gentlemen, today I will show you all the brand new edition of Close-Up Challenge quiz. This quiz is only for Robux earning sites and it is not for Fiverr for all. Okay, let's begin. Question number 2 of this quiz has total 2 variants. So, first see the image in your website, then match that with my video. Okay, in variant 1 of this question, if you find this type of navy blue colored image and the question as who is the artist behind this revered masterpiece, then you have to select the correct option as Vincent van Gogh. Next, in variant 2 of this question, if you find an image of a lady without her face and the question like who is the artist behind this celebrated masterpiece, then you have to choose the option Leonardo da Vinci.
Kiss the rain. Ice runs in my veins. Won't play it safe. I don't belong with your nobility. Who died and made you king of anything? You think that I'm insane? It's your mistake. Kingdoms arise and fall.
Question number 8 of this quiz has total 2 variants. So, first see the question on your website, then match that with my video. In variant 1 of this question, if you find the question like which river runs through the country with this magnificent statue, then you have to choose the option Amazon. Alright, now in variant 2 of this question, if you find the question as in which country will you find this statue, then you have to select the Brazil option.
Coming for the throne.
Question number 10 of this quiz has total 2 variants. So, first see the image and read the question on your website, and after that match it with the video. First, in variant 1 of this question, if you find an image of an American dollar part and the question as what is the value of the currency note shown here, then its answer will be $100. Next, in variant 2 of this question, if you find an image of a metal bull and the question as what institution is associated with this statue, then you have to select the option stock market. Question number 11 of this quiz has total 2 variants. So, first read the question on your website, then match that with my video. So, in variant 1 of this question, if you find the question as how many times was this statue destroyed and rebuilt, then you have to select the option 0. In variant 2 of this question, if you get the question as what language is spoken by the country that built this statue, then you have to select the option French. Question number 12 of this quiz has also 2 variants. So, first read the question on your website, then match that with my video. Okay, in variant 1 of this question, if you find the question as which song did this legendary band write, seen partially here in costume, then you have to select the option Strawberry Fields Forever. Alright, in type 2 of this question, if you find the question as which band can be found wearing these eye-catching uniforms on a music album, then you have to select the option The Beatles.
You think that I'm insane, it's your mistake. Kingdoms rise and fall, I've come to take it all. I'll take it, I've come to take it. Kingdoms rise and fall, I've come to take it all. I'll take it all. Storm is coming, so you better start running. No, you can't control, feel it in our bones. I'm coming for the.
Again, the question number 17 has total 2 variants. So, see the images, read the question and match it with the video. First, in variant 1 of this question, if you find an image of Nikola Tesla and the question as which of the following fields of study is most associated with the figure zoomed in on here, then you have to select the option electromagnetic radiation. Okay, in variant 2 of this question, if you find the question as in which sector of the entertainment industry would you most likely find these figures, then you have to select the option music. Finally, here you can see that we have achieved 100% score in this close-up quiz, and now it's your turn to like and subscribe my channel.